Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we are taking a comprehensive look at the SOXL. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of November, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.58. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a decline of 13.14%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.46% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines ahead. The current 3-month trend anticipates a possible change of approximately -8.41% over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return ranging from -26.25% to 26.28%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 6.9% over the next year, with a possible return between -2.91% and 164.35%. This results in a projected price range of $27.63 to $75.23 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, SOXL ETF printed $8.46 on Thursday after gaining 4.79%. The SOXL ETF price gained 4.79% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, rising from $27.16 to $28.46. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 9.22%, with a day low at $26.48 and a day high of $28.92. The price has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is down by 21.58% for this period. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 23 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 104 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.95 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, and the lowest price was $21.29. Currently, the price is 59.39% or $41.62 below the 52-week high, and 92.48% or $349.78 below the all-time high on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, or SOXL, has proven to be a double-edged sword for investors. Following an impressive rally of nearly 400% from late October 2023 to July 2024, SOXL shares have since seen their value halved, reflecting the fund's inherent volatility. Market dynamics remain challenging, with high valuations, technical weaknesses, and notable insider selling. Despite these setbacks, SOXL remains a strong performer over the long term, boasting over 2,085% in gains during the last decade and 186% over the past 5 years. The semiconductor sector has been buoyed by soaring demand driven by innovations in artificial intelligence and cloud computing, underpinning a robust growth narrative. Recent trends indicate a persistent bullish sentiment in the semiconductor space, particularly as companies like NVIDIA and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing continue to thrive, aided by an easing of supply chain issues and inflationary pressures. Hedge funds are increasing their investments in technology stocks, anticipating potential rate cuts, which could inject further momentum into the market. While the short-term outlook may be rocky due to recent performance dips and selling pressure, the long-term prospects for SOXL could remain positive if broader sector growth continues and if the underlying companies sustain their performance. Investors should tread carefully given the elevated volatility and risks associated with leveraged exchange-traded funds, weighing potential rewards against the heightened risk profile. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and so far it has risen 6.75%. Further advancements are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may impact short-term developments. The SOXL ETF currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall negative forecast for the ETF. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $33.62. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find support from the short-term average at $28.15. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall signal. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 155 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages yielded a buy signal 21 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 87 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 77 days ago. If you are interested in discovering more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $27.43. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.44 between its high and low, translating to a change of 9.22%. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 6.45%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $32.16. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a strategic point to think about for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its first support level at $27.43. If this support level remains intact, it might present a good entry opportunity, anticipating a potential rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this ETF remains unfavorable. After evaluating the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears inflated. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of November, we anticipate SOXL will open lower by 510 of a dollar, starting at $27.95. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.